Okay, here at the Weldcote booth, I got Joe O'Mera. He's the CEO. Joe, what's new at Weldcote that you'd like to tell the distributors about?
Okay, we finalized our welding catalog last year, so we've been working on building out our helmet program. And in the last 12 months, we've launched our Supreme View, which has been a great seller for us. Sold multiple thousands, 16-inch view screen. And it's got new technology where it's automatically going to set the welding shape for you based off the intensity of the arc. And you can control it up and down 2 shades in increments of 0.1. So if it sets it at, say, shade 10, you can go 10-1, 10-2, all the way up to 12, or you can go down all the way to 8 right on this knob. So this has been a great success. And in the last few months, we came out with our Pipe View series. It's designed pure fiberglass, so you can spec it in fiberglass in all the industries that require that. We have 3 versions. We have a ratchet style that's $42 to the distributor. We have a rubber band style that's $41. And then what we did is, I've been at hundreds of counters at distributors where they're buying this helmet and they're buying like an auto shade to put in there. So we combined it. So we're the first one in the industry to combine it. So we call it our True Color. If you look at the packaging over here, and we just added $25 to the price. So we're selling that for $67. And in this series, what's turned out is 80% of our distributors are buying it with the True Color built in. And then literally just Friday, yesterday, we launched a new economy line of flap discs to compete with like some of the lower price competition in the marketplace. So we have our regular density, we have our new XL, and our new double XL. So these go from $1.49 to $1.75 to $2.10. And I launched it yesterday, and we're calling it the Z Cotton. So that's brand new, in inventory, and ready to go.
Nice. Talk about the value that you bring to a distributor in doing business with you.
Okay. Well, I've been in the business over 30 years in product management and sales. This year, I've probably walked in like 200 welding distributors, calling on them, all different parts of the U.S. And, meeting with salespeople, owners, and this and that, and getting feedback. And that allows me to come back and dial in the product line and get the pricing where it needs to be. So we're also offering maximum value to our distributor partner. And to reiterate, we only sell to distributors.
There you go. I like that. And last question for you. Talk about 2025. What's something coming up in 2025 that distributors should keep an eye out for?
Okay, so we took our new Pipe View series, and we have a new flip front that we're building into it. So again, it's pure fiberglass with a flip front. So we're going to offer a ratchet style. It's $45, and then with the True Color built in, it's going to be $70. And then in addition to that, we have a new variable shade that's coming out. So it's shade 9 to 13, and I don't know if you can see, but it's got a USB charger built
cool.
in. Yeah, first one in the industry that I've seen. And so you can plug it in. Everyone's got a USB charger. It's got a solar panel, and this one we're going to be launching for $53. So that's coming out. And at the show, we're getting feedback on our new leather helmet. I don't. Right now I've had a lot of good positive feedback. We're only halfway through, so we're looking to add that. And if that does come out, that we'd be looking around March for that. So that's what we have going on.
Awesome. There you go. Quick update here from Weldcote. Thank you, Joe, for everything that you do for us here at GAWDA Media and for GAWDA. It's always great to see you.
Yeah, thank you, Tim. Great job as always.
Okay, thank you.
Guys.